Hello, Boo. Me Boo Boo. You took my spot. Daddy.
I changed.
No, now there's shade there.
Right.
Yeah, there is. It's reflection or shade of the tree. Oh, what? And get a tree imprinted tan?
You gotta follow the sun. Give me some water to drink.
Yeah? I got the camera. You can't throw me in the pool.
Ay, paano ito po?
No! Ha-ha! You missed! You didn't get me.
Hands are dirty and you put them in the pool?
Your hands are dirty and you put them in a pool.
No, I don't, Kate.
Yes, you do.
Just not use the heads here.
Why? You don't use your head.
You know what? I'll just drain across the pool. I won't give a shit.
This is on video.
I don't care.
His hands are clean. We washed them earlier.
Oh, yeah.
He came in and he got a drink and then he washed them.
Playing over there in the dirt.
He's got a hammer in his hand. And there's no mud. Chill out.
I'm the one who cleaned the pool, not you guys. Stop this shit.
You're on video.
I don't give a fuck.
Oh.
Kiss my ass.
Real nice, Daddy. Do you want some water on you?
Don't play games with me, because I didn't play any with you.
Do you want water on you?
You heard what I said.
You heard what I said. I already got David 3 times. Did you hear me? Hello? I should go get a cup of water for you.